Hello friends, good morning. In last video we discussed about instance about Linux and login through PuTTY, but in this video we are going to discuss about how to create Windows instance through RDP. So first of all we have to log in our AWS console and we have to go to EC2. EC2 is nothing but Elastic Compute Cloud. Here already one instance is running, but we have to create through Windows instance. This is for GUI method. In next video, I'm going to discuss about how to create instance through command line. So here we have to go to launch instance and we have to select free tier only because if you create without free tier that is chargeable. Here you can select any Windows AMI. Here you can select T2 micro that is for freeware. Then next, here no need to change anything. Then you can go to add storage. Here it is showing that size of that and so now we can go to next add tags, and now again here you can give the name if you want. Here we can select that existing one. Also you can select the security group and you have to create new one for RDP because one which we used last time that is for Linux instance. So for Windows you have to create new security group. So now we have to click on launch. We already have the key pair, so that's not required to create again. That is the private key file that is for authorization purpose we are using to log in any root or RDP, to log in through PuTTY for Linux instance or Windows instance. So we are using this key pair. Now I clicked on launch instance and it is creating now. We can see our instance here. It's showing pending. And after that it will check initializing status check. Once it will show 2 by 2 check passed, then only we can log in through this. So here our instance is created. Now we can log in here. We can get the Windows password to log in for RDP. So we have to right click here and click on get Windows password. And here it is asking for that key pair path. You have to select the key file which we created at while creating instance. So we can choose that file and we can decrypt the password. So here you will get the username and password. You can save this in any notepad or something, sticky notes. Now we can copy the IP and we can open that RDP. This is the shortcut. Here we can enter the IP. For instance, can click on connect. Now here it is asking for username and password. So we have to give this administrator as a username and this is the password. So now it is getting logged in. It is getting that login for that Windows instance. So this is all about in this video about that Windows instance login through RDP. So in next video we will discuss how to create instance through command line. So I'm going to end this video as of now. So you can see this instance is created. So please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.